How to live a happy life. Happy moments of life. Feel better. Today's time is the busiest and very precious thing. We can't store this time, but we all want to keep in our pockets. Because of this busiest society, we forget how to live a happy life. In today's time, along with adult people, small children are also busy. We are all forgetting our childishness, childhood memories, and bitter memories. Introduction. Small children are so busy that they spend their childhood in other works, and then when they grow up, they say that there is no happiness in our life. After all, if we spend all our time in other work, then how will happiness come in our life? How will we laugh? How will we feel good? How will we enjoy every moment in today's time? Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are feeling good. Yeah, I know. If you are feeling good, then why you came here? We all know the theory of how to live happy, how to celebrate every moment, how feel good. But in practical, we don't know, or if we know, then we can't apply in our life. Today, by this post, we will know that how to think well and live a happy and better life, how to enjoy and celebrate every moment of life and feel good, how to smile in every situation, how to laugh freely. Yeah, by this single video, we will know all things about happy life. Hope you will view the whole video. So stay tuned with us and enjoy every single moment of life. How to get a happy life. Man's grief is where he thinks that I feel sad about this person from this position. But if humans notice it, they will come to understand it that grief is manifested by the reaction of mind. In fact, whatever action is going on outside, if our mind does not react to it, then there will be no feeling of happiness and sorrow in it. There is only one situation and is happy in that case, and another is sad in that situation, cries. One person says that I enjoy a lot in winter, and another person says that I have a lot of trouble in winter. One person says I am very happy to get wet in the rain, and one person says that I get very upset in the rain. There is trouble in everything I do. So is the condition of external state the sorrow, or is the sorrow hidden with us in our thoughts, in our mind, and what is inside us, our thinking? How can it be corrected from outside? A short story about how to smile better and feel good. There was a person who got a lottery of 10 lakhs announced in TV. He saw the lottery number match with the lottery number of that TV. He got a lottery of 10 lakhs. So he was so happy that he invited all his friends, his relatives to the house for a special party at night. He spent a lot that night, fed everyone and fed them. That day was very bitter. The second day happened in the morning. He watched the news on TV again, and when he saw the news people said sorry and said that the ticket number which we had announced yesterday was wrong. Then he started crying. After seeing this news, then became sad. Neither it had money before, nor now does it have money. Happy moments in life, but where this sorrow and happiness manifested, it was revealed by our thoughts. As long as our thoughts are going on, we will not come out of this mess and sorrow. Either our thoughts move in the right direction where we can rise above these things and move away from these things. Otherwise, the whole life passes, but we cannot get away from the misery. We feel that sorrow is our life, and maybe God has given sorrow in our life because we don't try to change it. We don't even understand that no one else is giving this sorrow. This is our thought, our mind that is promoting that sorrow. If we change our way of thinking, our external situation will also change. A person who knows how to be happy, he knows the secret of life, and who doesn't know how to be happy, he does not know how to live. And if we live life weeping, we will live life in sorrow, then this life will be wasted. We haven't got this life to cry, nor have we got this life to lose, and we have got this life to find happiness. A man wanders from birth to death. We want happiness in his whole life, and we want delightful life. But our condition was such that we came out of house in a search of happiness and found sorrow on the way. Who joined us? Why is it our race is behind good, but in the hand we get grief, and our race is behind love, but only hatred comes in our hand. Somewhere there is something wrong, somewhere something is going wrong which we cannot understand. In fact, if we start giving what we want, then whatever is our nature, it will be returned to us by 1,000 times. Our biggest problem is that we want to store everything, want to make our own claims, want to be the boss of everything, whether in our relation or in our life with some person, with some situation. We wish that this time has come in a good life. It has never passed. We want to be the master of time. We want that this bad time is never going in our life. It will never come again in our life. If we remove our eye even for a minute, then there can be no sorrow in our life. Small story on how to live a happy life and laugh as much as. There was a person who worked very hard to make his house very beautiful, the most beautiful in the whole district and in the whole town. Whether house is he built for himself, his life line resided in that house. But the thing that we handle more, the same thing has the most danger. One day a fire broke out in his palace. Someone informed him that there was a fire in your palace. The person ran to his palace and he saw the fire. He thought that if I do not save this palace, then what will I do by leaving? Because it was a lifeline in this, and If we were in its palace, we will probably would have done it too. We put our whole heart to anything, from any palace, from any people, and think how will we live without it. Similarly, at that time, the person thought that how would I live without it? He thought that I too should jump into it. I should burn it from this palace. So he started jumping. So people standing there stop him and say, "What are you doing?" So he said that without this place, what I would do. This was the basis of my life. Then someone said that yesterday your son had come to your house by bargaining, had sold it, and said not to worry. When he heard this, that person immediately calmed down and stopped crying. Those who were watching the spectacle at that time, and everyone was watching and started thinking that what has changed, because the house is the one, the person is the one, but has calmed down completely. The person who was ready to die a moment ago has now become silent. Then his son came, and he was very happy to see his son. And when his son came to him and said, "Yes, I did go to sell this house, but the deal is not done yet." Hearing this, that person again started crying head on and started wailing. Actually, the same person, same house, same situation, but the feeling has changed. I feel pretty, feeling good. What is happening with us? Are you feeling sad from outside? Just think once. Will it happen in the outer life as we want? And for how long we will check ourselves with outsiders? Outside situations are make us sad or feel happy. If someone says two sweet words in praise to us, we become happy. And if someone condemns us, we become sad. Why we have given our happiness and sorrow to others? Others will make us unhappy whenever they want, and they will make us happy whenever they want. After all, when will we be happy with our wish? Say, favorable and non-favorable situation is part of life, but smiling in every situation is art of life. If we are happy, then the whole world around us become happy. Smile is a perfume. Spray it. Conclusion: spread your smile, your tuitions, so that the world around you is happy, so that your family is happy. Those with whom you are happy should be happy with you, so that we do not make our life such that we are also sad, and whoever comes in our life should also be sad with us. Don't give so much space in your house, in your heart, to grieve your thoughts. Let's try to please ourselves. The day we will accept that but God has given us all, we can celebrate every moment from that day like a celebration, but do not know why the whole life ends in misery, disorientation. The life is very precious thing, but who knows to smile, knows to laugh, has learned to live. Peace begins with a smile. Don't forget to share this video on